Hi everyone, just demonstrating adding a new remote to your Stanley garage door opener. We have old-fashioned Stanley TT200 model, and this is function. Even though I know it's not in a perfect shape, but with the button that we have on a wall, we can open and close the garage door no problem. It functions no problem. The only thing was we basically had our old key no longer working, old remote no longer working. So we basically went on the Stanley website and ordered a new key set. Two for $50, and it came like in 2 days. Everything was perfect. So all we left with program it to open it. So I can show it to you. Basically, what all you need to do is program the same sets of keys, match, the remote has to match with garage door opener. So I can quickly show. On the instruction comes and it says basically the off button means open. So anything that is left on the right side, that is off. On the left side means on. You can see. So even if you mix it, it doesn't matter. You have to follow the same pattern. So I can show it quickly. It also says to avoid all on, all off. Also, it says avoid to be all odd number or all even number. These are manufacturer default. So you don't want to have someone just randomly open your garage door with their set to the random remote by setting it to the default passcode, basically default key on their remote, and they be able to open your garage door. So you have to have your own unique basically passcode, which is these codes that we're gonna demonstrate. So I have the new one right now. It comes, you can see, you can turn it on and off, no problem. There's a little thread here, you just push it off and just left it open. You see it's a brand new battery and everything. You see the default is to set to one, basically all even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we're gonna all set them back. Okay, now we're gonna look back what the garage door has. We can try it, open, close, even though the light goes on and off, doesn't function. So I have one off. I have 2, 3, 4 on, 2, 3, 4 on. I have 5 off, put 5 off. Maybe you can video it this way so you can get these keys too. So I have 1 off, 2, 3, 4 on, 5 off, 6, 7 on, 8 and 9 off, and 10 on. So basically keep it close to each other, exactly match. Okay, so now we're gonna test it. So it's working. You can turn it off halfway and the garage door open and close no problem. Alright, hope this video will be helpful. Thank you.